Scanning barcodes for stock values, we use Scanner to Office. First you need to install Scanner to Office on your mobile device. The app is available for Android and iOS. Second, you need to install the Scanner to Office add-in to your Office application. Pricecracker Suite has done this with our Scans XL. Third, you need to pair your mobile device with Scans XL add-in. And that's all. Now you're ready to scan barcodes. The scanned data will be transferred straight into Scans XL spreadsheet. Back in Scans XL, clear any previous stock data. Scan barcode labels created in Pricecracker Suite, adding stock quantities. Back in Pricecracker Suite, locate Scans XL and update our stock quantities. It's as easy as that. Let's see how we printed our barcode labels for the stock areas.